Ready, start. So, both these witnesses are procured and chance witnesses and their presence on the spot is doubtful. Full stop. On this point, before the trial court also, a detailed cross-examination was made with these witnesses. Full stop. PW-2 Sudama, son of Sitaram, has stated in his statement that his village is about 1 mile away from Sallahpur Tola, Mathia, and he knew Janardhan Singh and Virendra Singh since before the occurrence. Full stop. He also knew the complainant Ramdhari Yadav and deceased Ram Pravesh since before the occurrence. Full stop. On the date of occurrence, he was going to Bhatni by the same route by which the complainant and deceased were returning. Full stop. Likewise, PW-3 Ram Narayan, son of Lawton, has also stated that on the date of occurrence, he was also going to Bhatni and Janardhan Singh and Virendra Singh were also going on the same direction but about 50 paces behind them. Full stop. This aspect has been examined deeply with these witnesses, but nothing has come out which could prove that these witnesses were not present on the spot. Full stop. Learned trial court has also considered this aspect and has found that these witnesses are reliable witnesses and their presence cannot be doubted. Full stop. So far as investigation in this case is concerned, it is true that the investigating officer had not collected the blood which had fallen at different places when the dead body was being taken to the police station, and he also did not collect the clothes of the witnesses and the netting of the cot on which the dead body of the deceased was taken to police station, but to our view, merely on the ground that the investigation is tardy or deficient on certain non-vital aspect, cannot be sole ground to throw out the entire prosecution story. Full stop. The Honorable Apex Court has held that even if blood-stained cloths have not been taken into possession or if there are shortcomings in the investigation by the investigating officer, merely on this ground, entire prosecution story cannot be thrown out. Full stop. This is a mere omission on the part of the investigating officer which is not sufficient to disbelieve the entire prosecution story. Full stop. But the trial court, which declined to place reliance on him, noted some flaws in his testimony. Semicolon. One such flaw is the failure of the police to collect the clothes worn by Harpal Singh, which were smeared with blood during the rescue operation. Full stop. We are unable to appreciate the said approach. Full stop. If the clothes worn by the injured or the victims were not recovered by the investigating team, that perhaps would have provided a handle to the defense. Full stop. But no investigating agency would normally take the trouble to seize the clothes worn by witnesses at the time they saw the occurrence merely because their clothes too had collected stains of blood during any post event activities. Full stop. At any rate, the said omission on the part of the investigating of agency is not a flaw of that type to invite the consequence of jettisoning his testimony. Full stop.